Is your credit score good enough? Or are you among the 16% of Americans with bad credit and another 18% who have fair credit? Well, whether you are just starting to build credit, want to rebuild it, or already have good credit and want to maintain it, here are a few DIY credit repair tips to keep at the top of your head. Identify and dispute inaccuracies in your report. Never miss a payment. Pay off collection accounts. Additionally, consider using a credit repair app like Cool Credit to make your credit repair journey even easier. For more tips, tricks, and detailed information, check out our recent blog.